In this video, we will demonstrate how users can create an artifact using the Trino tool to query heterogeneous databases. First, we create a new dataset by clicking the New Dataset button. Then, we enter a dataset name and description, and click Create button. For this demonstration, we will create a new artifact by querying existing databases. To do this, we click on a DB query, select the databases we want to use, and provide a name for the new artifact. As you can see, the query field includes an autofill option to help users construct their queries. In this example, we use the Trino tool to perform a join query between a PostgreSQL database and a MariaDB database. Users can click Test to view the first 10 rows as a sample, execute to preview the full query result, or Finished to save the query. Once completed, a new artifact is created. To view the artifact, go to the Datasets tab, open the dataset we created earlier, and here you can see the artifact generated from querying heterogeneous databases.